Hello viewers, I am Ayaz Ahmad. Welcome back to Electrical Engineering Analysis channel. Today I am coming up with a nice video. It is about surge arrestor gradient rings, also known as gradient rings or corona rings. So I will explain in a depth way. After watching my videos, you guys will able to know about this concept, and I will request you that keep a notebook and pen with you, because you will pause a video and write down these important things. Also I will discuss about its practical analysis. So this video will gonna fruitful to all of you. So let's begin. Surge arrestor gradient rings, also rings or corona rings, are used in high voltages electrical system. Surge arrestor gradient ring makes the uniform voltage distribution across surge arrestor achieved with gradient ring. It is being used for the following reasons and purposes. First one is electric field control. They help out to control the electric field distribution around the insulator or surge arrestor. This prevents the formation of corona discharges. Corona discharges may cause a huge power loss and damage our equipments. Second one is preventing flash hours. The gradient rings or surge arrestor gradient is reduce the risk of flash hours. Flash hours are sudden and unintended electrical discharges. Yes. Third one is enhancing insulation performance. Surge arrestor gradient rings improve the overall insulation performance of the system. By providing a more uniform electric field, they reduce the stress on insulating materials. Fourth one is increasing surge arrestor efficiency. So gradient rings or surge arrestor gradient help surge arrestor operate with efficiently by ensuring that voltage distribution is even, which allows the surge arrestor to effectively divert and dissipate surge currents. And fifth one, and I think this is most important in every practical field life, in industries, etc. we should obey the rules of safety. So the fifth one is safety. They also enhance the safety of the system by minimizing the risk of electrical breakdowns and damages, reducing this service life of an equipment. Now I come up with the practical analysis, and I will tell the matter and its importance. So there is a meter set up at the upper or at the pole of the surge arrestor. The meter shows the leakage current through surge arrestor in real time, and also there is a counter. Its working principle is counter displays number of surge arrestor operations. It tells to us how many surges have been arrested in this year or months. It has two earthing, body earthing and a ground terminal earthing. So thank you so much viewers. I am hopeful that you have understood and you have cleared your idea, your concept about this important topic. I will tell you that this question has been asked in many interviews, so it would be fruitful to you. Thank you so much viewers.